Quantum Mini LED is 1/40th smaller and has more LEDs. So, light is controlled more elaborately. The Shape Adaptive Light analyzes images, lines, and planes with AI to adjust light source according to the image in real time. Samsung Neo QLED's enhanced 14-bit mapping distinguishes great many levels of light, so things in dark areas are depicted clearly. And of course, the bright areas are also expressed in detail. Even tiny water drops and bubbles are shown clearly. Quantum Dot technology delivers our finest picture ever. With color volume 100%, Quantum Dot takes light and turns it into breathtaking color that stays true at any level of brightness. Can you tell the difference in the vividness of colors? Samsung Neo QLED's technology that enables you to enjoy great scenes also includes great sound experience. Party was chaotic, but our birthday girl seems so delighted. Happy birthday, Jenny!